Okay, quick question. Have you ever said something in English and then immediately regretted it?
Oh, like when I said, I very like this food in a restaurant and the waiter just blinked at me?
Yeah, that blink, that silent judgment, painful.
I wanted to disappear, like just melt into the chair.
Right? And the worst part is, you know the words, but somehow it still sounds weird.
Yeah, that's exactly it. I know vocabulary, I know grammar, kind of, but when I speak,
It doesn't flow.
yes, it feels broken. Like I'm building sentences one word at a time.
And then there's that awkward pause
Oh no, the pause.
where your brain is like, what comes next?
And the other person is just waiting, smiling, but inside they're like, please finish.
Exactly. That's where most English learners get stuck. But here's the good news. You don't need more vocabulary.
Wait, really?
Yeah. What you actually need is better sentence structures. Simple ones. Natural ones.
Oh, like shortcuts?
Exactly. Today, we'll show you 5 powerful sentence patterns that native speakers use all the time.
And I'm guessing I'll make mistakes.
100%.
Great. Love that for me.
Before we start, remember this formula. Super important.
Okay, I'm ready.
Rule 1. Say your opinion clearly. Rule 2. Add a reason. Rule 3. Keep it polite and natural.
So, not just, I like it.
Exactly. That's too basic.
Okay, let's go.
This is your best friend.
I think I use that a lot.
Yeah, but you probably stopped there.
Yes.
Let's fix that. Always add a reason.
Okay. Like, I think this movie is good because it's interesting?
Nice. Simple. Natural. Works perfectly.
Wait, that already sounds better.
Quick test. Food.
Okay.
Say something about pizza.
I think pizza is amazing because cheese is life.
That's not English. That's truth. This one sounds a bit stronger.
More serious?
Yeah. Use it when you want to sound confident.
Okay. In my opinion, learning English is hard because grammar is confusing.
Nice. That's real.
Too real.
Grammar rules are like surprise attacks.
Yeah, you think you understand, and then boom, exception.
This one is very natural. Native speakers love it.
I feel like it sounds softer.
Exactly. Less formal.
Okay. I feel like this cafe is too expensive because the coffee is small
Perfect.
and slightly aggressive. Hey, small coffee is a crime.
Your turn. Pause the video. Say, I feel like, because.
Yeah, don't skip. We're watching you. We're not, but still.
This one adds personality.
Ah, like you're telling the truth, even if it's risky?
Exactly.
Okay. To be honest, I don't like early mornings because I feel dead.
Very honest, slightly concerning.
This is important for confidence.
Wait, confidence? It sounds unsure.
Yes, but it helps you speak without fear.
Oh, so I can still talk even if I'm not 100% sure?
Exactly.
Okay, I'm not sure, but I think this train is late because no one is here.
That's actually smart. Let's do a real conversation.
Okay,
Topic: weekend plans.
all right.
Hey, what do you want to do this weekend?
I think we should go out because we stayed home last weekend.
Nice. My turn. To be honest, I feel like staying in because I'm tired.
Oh, conflict.
Now let's fix that politely.
Okay.
Agree first. Yeah, I see your point. But
Oh, smooth.
try it.
Yeah, I see your point, but I still want to go out because I need fresh air.
Perfect. No fighting. Still friends. Let's fix some classic mistakes.
Uh-oh.
Wrong. I very like it. Correct. I really like it.
Yeah, that one hurts.
Wrong. Because is interesting. Correct. Because it is interesting.
Ah, I always forget it.
Yeah, English loves it. Now, full flow. Listen carefully. Hey, did you watch that new show?
Yeah, I think it's really good because the story is exciting. What about you?
To be honest, I'm not sure yet, because I only watched one episode. Do you recommend it?
Boom. Natural conversation. Can I be honest?
Always.
Sometimes I don't speak because I'm scared I'll sound stupid.
Yeah, that's normal.
Really?
Even advanced learners feel that.
So what should I do?
Use these structures. They give you a frame.
Like a safety net?
Exactly. You don't need perfect English. You need clear structure.
That actually makes me feel calmer.
All right, your turn.
Yeah, don't just watch. Do something.
Write one sentence in the comments using I think or I feel like.
And don't be shy. We might reply and fix it for you.
Or feature your comment in the next video.
Ooh, pressure.
Good pressure.
Okay, I'll go first. I think this video is helpful because I didn't embarrass myself today.
That's a big win.
Huge.
All right, guys. See you in the next one.
And remember, no more I very like.
Please, never again.
Goodbye.
Bye.